Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and opening your Watch Later playlist. This gives you access to all saved videos. Once the list loads, scan quickly and decide whether you want to remove select items or clear everything. Make sure to use desktop for fastest bulk tools. Mobile can work but is slower. If choosing selective removal, hover or tap each thumbnail to reveal the menu. Once done, you'll be ready to move into bulk selection or playlist management. Now you bulk select. On desktop, click the checkbox above the first video and then Shift+click the last to select a range. Alternatively, use the Select All option when available. Once items are selected, choose Remove from Watch Later in the Overflow menu. This removes them immediately from your list. If you're on mobile, tap the three-dot menu on each video for quick removes, or use Edit, then select to pick several. Make sure to confirm any prompts before proceeding. Finish by refreshing YouTube to confirm removals synced across devices. This ensures your changes took effect. If videos reappear, sign out and sign back in, then clear your browser cache and cookies because stale data can show old playlist contents. Once done, test in an incognito window or another device to see if the issue persists. This isolates account versus local problems. If still stuck, check for multiple Google accounts, signed in and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.